In this video, we're gonna be talking about all the new features of MIUI 12. And at the end of this video, we will be talking about the devices that are eligible for the MIUI 12 update. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, system animation. Xiaomi has introduced an all-new physically based animation engine with advanced architecture that will refresh the overall experience in the user interface. Pretty much all the animations have something new to the user experience. For example, if you open an application, it will animate depending on the position of the icon where the app is located in the home screen. So this is gonna make opening an application a lot more satisfying. Also, closing an application have some new tweaks. The animations are a lot more visible than MIUI 11, and obviously it adds up to the satisfaction of the user interface experience. So Xiaomi has added what they call supervisory visual design, which means Xiaomi has visualized the core of the system information. What basically means when you visit the settings page on your phone or check out things like storage availability, you will see the statistics as graph as well, which will obviously make it easier for you to understand things at a glance. One of the biggest highlights of MIUI 12 is Super Wallpaper. This is basically a high-precision animated 3D models of Mars and Earth based on the available exploration of data. You will be able to set it for both home screen and lock screen, and if you turn on the dark mode, the planet chosen for your wallpaper will also enter its night mode. Cool, isn't it? MIUI 12 brings some new gestures for your phone. For instance, you will be able to swipe down from the notification panel and the application will be opened in a floating window. So you will be able to interact with the notification without abandoning the current application that you were using. Very insightful from Xiaomi. MIUI 12 is also coming with AI calling. This is basically Google's call screening feature, which was introduced in Pixel 3. Well, this feature isn't entirely new, but Xiaomi has now revealed that after half a year of testing, the AI phone assistant has been able to answer 4 million calls for closed beta users. With MIUI 12, Xiaomi has officially upgraded the AI to answer calls. MIUI 12 brings enhanced privacy for the user. You can now choose to grant permission for the apps only once or while using it. And once you are done with the using of the application, the permissions will be revoked. And for the apps that do not clarify the use of permission on your phone, the always allow option will not be provided. MIUI 12 comes with a built-in sleep tracker that not only can track your sleep pattern, but also can determine how good of the quality of the sleep was. Using the gyroscope sensor, Xiaomi will be able to track physical activities like walking, cycling, sleeping, and more. Dark Mode 2.0. Well, dark mode isn't entirely new in MIUI 12, but in the 2.0 version, you will be able to force dark mode over any application on Android. The contrast of the text will be adjusted according to the brightness around the phone, which will in fact add to the readability of the phone. Now, MIUI 12 also adds always on display. With MIUI 12, you will be able to use custom image on always on display wallpaper, and there will be options to tweak a few more things. Carrier service has also got an update with the MIUI 12. In MIUI 12, you will be able to view your SIM card balance and mobile data usage statistics. Also, your frequently used contacts will appear on top along with the codes you dialed to purchase data. Status bar receives major changes in design. Cards are bigger than before and the animations are way more smoother. Looks a lot like iOS, but it is beautiful for sure. MIUI 12 also adds a feature called Screen Time. It will show off 4 weeks of statistics, and the new design makes it look a lot more convenient. Switching application in MIUI 12 is a lot more easier now. So there's a bar at the bottom of the screen which you can use to swipe and switch between applications. Again, it is very close to iOS, but why not? In the Note application, you will be able to create folders now. Also, the application will offer a lot of oddly satisfying animations. MIUI 12 introduced a whole new landscape mode. Landscape mode wasn't initially available in the entire MIUI before, but with MIUI 12 you will be able to do that. Plus, the applications that runs only in landscape mode, for example games, will directly be identified and launched in landscape mode, instead being launched in portrait and then switched back to landscape. So these were pretty much all the new features of MIUI 12, and here is the list of the phones that will be receiving MIUI 12. Is your phone in the list, or did you like the MIUI 12? Let's talk about that in the comment section. So that's it for now. Until next time, thanks a lot for watching. আশা করি আবারও দেখা হবে।